Bunubu and the mushroom moon. Even the smallest light can help others find their way. One quiet evening, Bunubu found a glowing mushroom tucked beneath a fern. It was round, silver, and bright like a tiny moon. Bunubu carefully picked it up, and soft moonlight spilled across the forest path. Suddenly, a group of moths fluttered down in a swirl of dusty wings. "There it is!" cried Mimi Moth. "That little moon belongs in the sky tunnel," said the moon moths. "Without it, the tunnel is much too dark for nighttime travelers." Bunubu followed the moths to a hidden archway made of roots, stars, and sparkling spider silk. Inside the sky tunnel, the ceiling looked like night itself. But one empty spot waited for the glowing mushroom. Bunubu climbed a ladder of bendy roots while the moths gently guided the mushroom moon with their wings. Just as Bunubu placed it in the empty spot, the mushroom gave a happy shimmer and lit the whole tunnel. Fireflies, beetles, crickets, and tiny travelers cheered as the sky tunnel glowed with soft silver light. Bunubu waved goodbye to the moon moths and smiled at the shining tunnel. From then on, whenever the forest looked dark, Bunubu remembered that even a small light could guide many friends home.